Vinudhi Wahalathanthri, and I'm here with my 28th video from the eShop Web Project Development Series. So in this video, we'll be talking about how to program the cart page we designed in my previous video. So in this video, we'll be adding a product to our cart page, and we will also be talking the programming part of it, and we will be also talking how it will be viewed in our cart page. So let's begin to examine this process. So like I said in my previous video, we can go to our cart page using this icon. So this is the view we'll get when I have not added any items to my cart yet. So using this Start Shopping button, I will again arrive to my home page. So as I have added couple of products in my home page, so there are three options in this card or product card. So buy now, add to cart, and watch list. So using this add to cart button, my product will be successfully added to my cart page. So let's see how it's viewed in my cart page now. Yes, y'all can see that my product has been successfully saved in my cart page like this. So y'all can see that the seller who has sold this product is him, and over here I have added the title, and over here I have added the color of the product. I have added when the seller was adding the product, and over here the condition, the price, and the quantity, the delivery fee, and I have also added two extra options as buy now, remove. So we'll be talking about these options in my next video. So next, I have added my requested total over here. So I have calculated this total in this summary. So y'all can see that as I have added one item inside my cart, then my price will be this. And for my shipping, this much will cost. So because of that, my grand total, or the total cost with all expenses, will be equals to this sum. Okay, so this is the way a product will be viewed. So let's see what happens when we add another product to our add to cart page. So I'll add this product to my page too. So let's see how it's viewed. Okay, so y'all can see that that product has been also saved. So the seller has also changed, and mostly we'll be looking at this point. So y'all can see that the items and the price, the shipping total, and the total amount or grand total has been changed. So this is the main process of this cart page. So let's move on to see the back-end codes I have given for this process. Okay, so this process starts from our home page. So as I have added my products in my home page, so from that products only, I can add a product to the cart. So y'all can see that in my home.php file where I have added my products, in my add to cart button or option, I have given an on click as add to cart. So inside this on click, I have also sent an ID with it. So y'all can see that I have echoed the product data ID, which we made over here. So I have sent an ID to my JavaScript codes. So let's see what I have done in it. So once I click the add to cart button, this function should work. So over here, I have added the ID which I coded in my home.php, and then I have started an XML HTTP request, and over here I have assigned Wati as my response text, and I have sent these details in the get method to my add to cart process.php file, and I haven't sent it lonely, I have sent it with an ID. So let's see what I have done in my add to cart process.php file. Okay, so these are the codes I have given in my add to cart process.php file. So y'all can see that I have started a PHP script and I have given a session start, and I have also required for my connection.php file, and then I have given an ESET to check whether $session U is set. So this checks whether a user has signed in. So next, I have checked with another ESET whether I have received the ID from the get method through my JavaScript file, and then I have assigned $email to $session new email, which stands for user email, and $PID is assigned to the ID we just made over here. So then I have made a result set for my cart, and for that I have assigned a database search as select all from cart, where the product ID should be equals to $PID we made over here, and the user email should be equals to $email we made over here. So then I have taken the num rows of it, and over here I have taken the result set of my products and taken the data of it by fetching. And over here I have made a variable as product quantity, where I have assigned $product quantity, $product data quantity to it. And over here I have added an if block to check whether if $cart num is equals to 1, then I should fetch the data from my result set and assign it to $cart data. And over here I have $current quantity. So $current quantity is assigned to $cart data quantity, and next I have added another new variable as $new quantity, where I have assigned an int and $current quantity plus 1. So next I have added another if block. So inside this if block I have checked whether $product quantity is equals to new quantity. Then I should do a database IUD, which is an insert update delete. So inside this query, I have given an update where my cart should set the quantity as $new quantity we made over here. So where my product ID should be equals to PID and user email should be equals to our $email. So then I should receive an echo as product updated. So if I have added an invalid quantity, then I should receive an echo as invalid quantity. So if my cart num has been the opposite, then I should add a database IUD as insert into cart, product ID, user email quantity, which the values are $PID, which stands for product ID, and email for user email, and quantity 1. And I should receive an echo as product added successfully. So this occurs when I have added a product successfully to my cart page. Okay, so let's move on to see the codes I have given in this cart page. So we talked about this design in my previous video, and I told y'all that I'll be talking about the programming part of this in my next video. So here we are talking about the programming part of this card page. So over here I have included my header.php, and then I have required my connection.php file, and next I have given an ESET to check whether $session U is there, and $email is assigned to $user email. Sorry, $session U user email, and then over here I have added some variables with some null values. So we'll be talking about this in a next video. So don't worry, because I'll be back with a new video talking about these codes. So in this video, let's see what I have done. So over here, I have taken the result set of my cart, where I have taken a database search as select all from cart, where user email is equals to $email, and then I have taken the num rows. So if I haven't selected any products, then I should receive this empty view. So this should be viewed if I haven't added any products to my cart, which stands for $cart num is equals to 0. So if I have added any products to my cart, then I should view this I should get the view of this design. So y'all can see that over here, I have added a PHP script, and inside that I have added a for loop, and inside the for loop, I have taken the data from my result set, and over here I have made product data from the product RS result set, and over here I have added the total and the address data, and the shipping. So we'll be talking about this in another video, so don't worry. So let's talk about the codes we have to talk in this video. So next, I have added a new variable as seller RS, which stands for my seller result set, where I have given a database search as select all from user, where the email is equals to product data user email, and then I have taken the data for it by fetching, and I have assigned $seller to seller data f name, and I have concat to that the L name of the seller too. So next, over here I have taken the image I have to load once I add the product to my cart. So I have taken the images and I have loaded them as my image over here inside this pan. So next, in my title section, I have added the title of my product over here, and over here I have coded my color data, and I have added that as my option for the color. So likewise, I have added the same thing for my condition, but I have changed the variables as condition RS and condition data, and I have added them as my options. So my price over here and delivery fee. So over here I have added an on-click to delete a product from the cart, and over here I have added the requested total. So over here I have added my summary. So inside the summary I have added the prices and the expenses. So we'll be talking about this summary part or the expenses and the pricing part in my next video, so stay tuned. So over here I have added an else to check whether a user is not signed in. So if a user has not signed in, he or she should receive an echo as please sign in or register. So this is the process of this add to cart page. So I hope you all understood this process. So I'll be back with a new video. So stay tuned. Have a nice day and bye.